My name is Princess Lynn Erana, a Bitalad HE3A student, and for today, we have our guest that can share her knowledge and give advice to everyone. Let me introduce to you Ashley Ayrana.
Hello everyone, I am Ashley Rana.
So, how was your day? Ano ba ang pinagkakaabalahan mo ngayon?
2 weeks ago, nag-start yung klase. So, as a first year student, medyo nangangapa pa ako sa college life.
I heard something na may mga challenges or may pinagdaanan ka. So, can you share with me or to us what kind of experience is that?
Last month, parang nakaramdam ako na parang sinisikmura ako. Sumasakit yung tagiliran ko. Tapos parang may umaakit na acid sa sikmura ko, ganon. Tapos sa pag-ihi naman, nahihirapan ako umihi.
Based on your experience or about sa diagnosis ng doctor or nurse na nung nagpa-check up ka, which is sa center lang. So, ano yung pinaka-diagnosis sa iyo?
And the result, it was acidity and UTI.
What is your daily routine or what is the factor that cause your UTI and acidity?
Siyempre, as a student, after class, may mga street foods na tinitinda sa labas. Siyempre, ando yung mga banding natin nakakain, mapapawi ng pagod. And then, as a normal person, nahihilig tayo sa mga soft drinks, sa mga junk foods. Kaya, ayun din yung mga nagiging effect ng sakit ng cold ng acidity and UTI.
Sa mga sinabi mong reason, no? Ano muna yung naging epekto nito sa'yo? Kumbaga, syempre nag-aaral ka, kung sumasakit bigla ang tiyan mo, kung nahihirapan kang umihi, ano yung mga naging epekto nito sa'yo?
During class, minsan syempre mararamdaman mo na inaatake ka, sumasakit yung pagiliran mo, or minsan maramdaman mo yung acid tumataas ang sikmura mo. Mahirap siya mag-focus sa studies mo. Baga nakaka-apekto siya na malaki. Mawawalan ka ng gana kumilos, tapos lagi nga siya yung dahil, ganun po.
Based on sa mga naging experience mo, sa naging epekto and naging cause ng nararanasan mo, ano yung magiging payo mo or magiging advice mo sa mga student na katulad ng iba dyan na nakakaranas o nagagawa din yung mga bad habits na meron ka?
Siyempre po, magkaroon tayo ng balanced diet and lessen or avoid junk foods. And then kung iinuman po tayo ng soft drinks, minimal lang po or bawian agad natin ng pag-inom ng tubig para sa ganun hindi po yung soft drinks sa katawan natin.
Thank you for your effort, Ma'am Ashley.
Thank you for having me here.
And I hope everyone will accept or do what the advice of Miss Ashley is given to us. Thank you and have a nice day. To conclude, Miss Ashley is an 18-year-old and a first-year college student. She has a weight of 48 kilograms and her height is 4'11". Last month, she went to the health center because of the discomfort that she has experienced, such as regurgitation, painful urination, and lower abdominal pain. She found out that she had a UTI or urinary tract infection and acidity or acid reflux that is caused by the bad habit of eating junk foods and drinking carbonated drinks or what we call soft drinks. UTIs are common in women but can remember, the foods to avoid are acidic food, caffeinated, and alcoholic beverages. What is acidity? Acidity, also known as acid reflux, occurs when stomach acid flows back into the esophagus. Esophagus is the tube that connects the stomach and our mouth. It can cause discomfort such as heartburn, swallowing, and regurgitation. The most common helpful foods for them are non-citrus fruits and vegetables. Additional tips: avoid eating late at night and stay hydrated.